Welcome to how to watch movies through Telegram tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to watch movies through Telegram without downloading it. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open the Telegram app as you see here. Then you need to go to the settings on the top left corner. After that, click on settings or gear icon as you see here. Then scroll down till you see data and storage as you see. From here click on reset auto download settings. Then turn off all the automatic media downloads as I see. So now you can watch all the movies from Telegram without downloading it, and it won't cost you double the Wi-Fi bandwidth. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.